Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add products to your TikTok shop, whether you're working on your desktop or mobile device. Let's dive in. Once you're in your TikTok shop dashboard, the first thing you need to do is post your products. TikTok shop supports both single product and batch uploads with the ability to list up to 1,000 products. Let's see how you can do this step by step. On your desktop, start by going to Manage Products in the Seller Center. From here, you'll click on Add New Product. This is where you'll begin adding all the details about your product. You'll need to fill out several sections: basic information, media, add product images or videos, product details, sales information, shipping, and sometimes product certifications. Be sure to complete all required fields. Once you've filled everything out, you can either click Save as Draft if you're not ready to publish, or Submit for review to get your product live on the shop. Alternatively, you can use the Quick Listing tool to search for a product by name or barcode. If the product exists in TikTok's product library, you can import information like product name, category, brand, and SKU, then apply it to your new listing. On your mobile device, tap the products icon in the app's navigation menu, then select Add Products. Complete the required fields and tap Submit for review once you're ready to list. For bulk uploads, go to Manage Products, click Bulk Action, and download a template for the product category you want to list. Fill in the template, ensuring all required fields are complete. Then upload it back to TikTok. Once uploaded, you can check for errors. If anything's wrong, the online editor will highlight it, and you can correct the issues. After making corrections, hit Publish Now, and your products are live. And that's how you add products to your TikTok shop. Keep in mind to double check the information you enter to ensure everything's accurate. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your TikTok shop.